As you walk across the Ponte Sant'Angelo bridge, be sure to make time to admire all of the statues of the saints along the bridge.
I'm here at Castel Sant'Angelo. It's a beautiful castle. Castel Sant'Angelo was originally built as a mausoleum for Emperor Hadrian, intended to be his final resting place. It was a bold statement of legacy, designed to not only hold Hadrian, but his entire dynasty, a tomb the size of a fortress. It was one of the largest cylindrical tombs in the Roman Empire, connected to the city by what is now Ponte Sant'Angelo. Imagine a shining white marble tower crowned with a statue reflecting the Tiber. It looked more like a temple than a tomb. In 590 AD, during a plague, Pope Gregory the Great claimed to see the Archangel Michael appear above the castle, signaling an end to the plague. The vision was so powerful that people believed the plague ended at that moment. The sword was sheathed, Rome was spared. The vision inspired the name Castel Sant'Angelo, and the statue of the angel has been on top of this building ever since. A secret passage called the Passetto de Borgia connects the fortress directly to the Vatican. It's over 800 meters long, and it was used during the 1527 sack of Rome when Pope Clement VII fled invading forces. The papal apartments inside include Renaissance frescoes, throne rooms, and even hidden staircases. It also served as a prison, holding figures like philosopher Giordano Bruno and sculptor Benvenuto Cellini. The view from the rooftops is one of the best in Rome, offering a panorama of the Tiber River, St. Peter's Basilica, and the ancient skyline. Over the centuries, the castle has been repurposed by popes as a refuge, fortress, and treasury, especially during times of war and rebellion. When the city was under siege, this was the Vatican's panic room, fortified, stocked, and ready for war.
Castel Sant'Angelo is open Tuesday through Sunday, 9 a.m. to 7:30 p.m. The last entry is at 6:30 p.m. The cost is usually around 16 to 18 euros for adults, extra for skip the line or terrace tours.
I hope you enjoyed Castel Sant'Angelo.